The digestive system is one of the most diverse and complicated systems in the human body, so this should be fun. So here is how food turns into nutrients for your body, semi-simplified. So the food enters the mouth. The salivary glands release salivary enzymes, which chemically digests the food and carbohydrates. Then the food gets moved along to the esophagus. If you start to choke, the epiglottis prevents that and seals the trachea off. And then the food passes the pharynx. So then the food goes to your stomach and it sits in hydrochloric acid, which lowers the pH levels and sets them up for an enzyme attack. Under the stomach is the spleen, and this is important for keeping bodily fluids balanced. Then the duodenum is the start of the intestine, which further digests the food. And then it gets bile from the bile duct. And before being released into the small intestine, the bile is stored in the gallbladder and it's stored there until it's concentrated. So when it's ready for absorption, the food goes into the small intestine, and the final part of the small intestine is the ileum. And the ileum follows the jejunum, which absorbs the fatty acids, etc. And basically, the ileum communicates with the cecum, which is a part of the large intestine. The large intestine is the last part of the gastrointestinal tract, and it includes this cecum, transverse colon, descending colon, sigmoid, and all those basically move and store waste and absorb and store nutrients. The appendix is connected to the cecum, which causes pain when it's inflamed, and then that its function is functionless, so you can get surgically removed. And then the rectum is the next place the food goes, and that is where feces is stored until it exits out the anus like that. So the recap was the main or basic stages of digestion are chewing, swallowing, stomach digestion, small intestine digestion, absorption, and waste elimination.